Hello everyone, good morning. In this tutorial we will see how can we manage our WordPress media files in certain file folders or categories. We'll see maybe there are lots of media files in your WordPress. I will show you how can you manage them by categories or folders. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, first of all, go to the plugins area, add new plugin. It's called HappyFiles. Okay, it's not here. So let's go to the HappyFiles site. Okay, download it. Okay, we choose the HappyFiles Lite, which is free, which is good enough for us for learning purpose. Okay, now what we'll show, this is our plugin. Let's go to the plugins area. We'll click here for upload plugin. We'll choose the file. Here is our plugin, HappyFiles zip. I will click install now. It's already installed. Now activate the plugin. So our plugins is activated. Go to the settings area. Let's say where it is. You can find it from here in settings, HappyFiles. Okay. Okay, there is general settings, category editing, assign multiple categories, remove from all categories. Okay, I will go with the default settings. Click on save changes. Now if you go to the media area, you can see our total outlook is changed for the media library. You can create new category. There is already one media file here. It's uncategorized. Let's say I will create a new category. So our category created. Okay, it's created under this movie. I will create in independently. Now I want to move this media file to Laravel. Okay, that's it. It's under Laravel. Okay, if you go to the Laravel, you can okay, if I okay, one file is uncategorized. Okay, let's add a new file, then you can understand fully. Let's upload this image. Okay, file is uploaded already. Now you can assign category here. You can see our categories. I will check Laravel from here, and that's it. If you go to the media, okay, I think there is a problem. All of our file is showing under uncategorized all files. Okay, let's go to the screen options. It's okay. Let's go to the this upload it to if you go to the Laravel directory, there is this file. If you go to the movies directory, there is also this file. That means you can add a single image in multiple categories. Okay, if you want. What will I do? I will remove. Okay, now that file is totally removed, and if you see, there are currently two files. This one also I will remove. Now if you go to the uncategorized section, this file. Okay, so I will move this to Laravel directory. Now there is uncategorized 0, and in Laravel section there is one file. Okay, let's upload another file. Let's upload this image. Upload completed. Okay, now if you go to the media section, there is one new file which is uncategorized. Okay, I will add this image to the movies. Okay, now there are totally two files, one in Laravel section, one file in movie section. Okay, if you want, you can choose a file. You can choose a file and edit, or you can view, or you can attach that file to any of the pages or any of the post. Okay, let's see. If you attach this file with this hello world post, let's select it and see what happens. If you go to the post area, view to the post, view the post. Okay, so there is nothing. Let's check out, edit this post. Okay, still there is no image attached. See, then upload it to. Okay, that means you can tag a image to a post. Okay, another thing. Okay, all the other things. Okay, you can sort categories, ascending or descending order. That's it. You can use this plugin to categorize or folderize your media. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next one. Bye.